Okay. Maybe I have to this works then. Oh, there's an expander. I guess that's good enough. NVIDIA broadcast died on me. Something happened on my computer, like my GPU updated or something, dude. I don't know what just happened. NVIDIA broadcast though took a poop. I'm just gonna quit it. Do we need NVIDIA broadcast? Like, how's my audio right now? Is it good? Is there noise? I guess it's good. Okay. As long as there isn't noise. Surprisingly. Like, what have I been... I've been using a noise suppressor for no reason. Because, like, I've been using AI to... I'll turn off the monitor for now. All right, all right. Where was I? Let's play some music. Play some music. Sound bad? Good. That's good. Good, 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 good. Okay. What was I doing? I was working on my website, man. I was working on my website. I gotta keep it up. Keep up the hustle. Let me see what it's looking, how it's looking. I was oh yeah, I was making sure it's unclickable. But it looks like it's still. Oh no, I gotta make sure the text component is unclickable. Okay, okay, okay. I think I fixed it though. I can still click it. I can still click it. It's not fixed. It's not fixed. Why can I still click it? Why, bro? Why? Why, bro? Why? Listening? What's wrong with the drawing area now? Oh, man. Listening is preview. Oh, it's supposed to be the opposite. That's why. That's why. Now I shouldn't be able to click on it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What? I can still click on it, dude? Dude, I just don't get this, man. Oh my goodness, dude. Oh my goodness, dude. My goodness, dude. Oh. What? Oh my goodness. Listening is preview. Thumbnail? Okay. There we go. That should fix it. That should fix it. There we go. That's fixed it. Okay, that's good. Oh, whew. Whew. That was that was that was stressful. Okay, I gotta make these buttons better, and I'm gonna make this not so wide. Okay, let's just do that real quick. I wish I could play music in the stream because this song's a banger, man. A banger. Anything new on Joe Rogan podcast? What's new? Who's Scott Storch? Multi-platinum Grammy award-winning record producer. All right. All right. All right. Thumbnail scaler. Let's make this. Wait. Let's make it 4. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's reasonable. Okay. Okay. Where's the button getting rendered? Because that's messing everything up. Go back to the left bar. This flex. Oh, that's fine. Border zinc, border 2, cursor pointer, background gray. Why is this? How do I make this not take up? Actually, let's not make it. Let's not give it a background color. Well, I mean, wait. Let's give this a background color and instead hold the text if it is currently selected. Okay. Font bold. Oh, that's not what I copied, is it? No. There we go. There we go. Hover background color. What does that look like? Oh, there's still a border. Let's make the width like 5. Whoa, that's really small. I should make it. How do I? Let me see. Let me ask you a question. How can I make the width 40% of the parent width and also center it within the parent? That's really what I want to do. Also, don't want a border. No border. 40%? Okay. Oh, I already have that. Set active slide. On click. Oh, Wait a minute. I'm not using that anywhere. Hmm. Flex. Justify center. Whoa. No? Huh. Uh, it's flex column. Item center? That didn't work. No. Huh. Oh. Note the plural form. Item center should be item center? Huh. Huh. That did work. Wait a minute. Let me try something here. This is a parent? Flex column? Flex direction row. Oh, damn. What'd that do? Container providers. Last name Flex. Got it. Sidebar isn't even anything. So I can't just do items center. Oh wait. Yeah, yeah, item center. No. Flex column. Huh. Interesting. Doesn't inherit flex from the parent. Learning so much about CSS. Got it. Okay, learning so much about CSS. So the width can be like something like 400, 300, okay. And then I can also on the title. Hmm. I also want this to be centered, so let's do something like flex or how do I center the slide dot title? Text center? Huh. That didn't do it. With 40%. I think that's the issue. There we go. Okay. And what if I delete this? Goes out? Okay. Okay, okay, cool. It's too much margin. Padding 1. Let's do 1, but this is be margin bottom. And then the button on the bottom. There you go. And then this should be applied to this entire thing. So let's do let's do class name here. Don't need that. Oh geez. Okay. Let's do hover. How do I make the hover better? What if I do like P3? That does help. In that case, let's do margin bottom 2. Okay. Don't need any of that then. Okay, cool. This is looking a lot better already. I'm working on the slides on the left. The preview slides. Looking a lot better. I just need to be able to click on them and switch. How do I do an on click on this outer div? I think I have an idea. I think I have an idea, so I'm not gonna look at ChatGPT. I'm gonna do it myself, and then if I do the same thing as ChatGPT, that's good. But I think all we gotta do is just on click do this. Let's make an arrow function. What are we doing? What's going on here? Oh. There we go. There we go. What's wrong with these parentheses? What the hell? Oh my goodness. Can't handle it. What if I just do like that? There we go. That's better. I'm gonna delete this. Okay, we don't need any of that. Get rid of that. There we go. Now I should be able to switch slides. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Okay, very cool. And then this one's way too big. So let me with full. How about no? About 40%. Yeah, that's good. I wonder. Let me see. Is there a way to make the hover not square shape? The hover highlight. Rounded LG. Huh. Really? Let me see. Oh, it does. Oh shit, that's pretty cool. That is neat. That is neat. Nice. Okay. Why does it change slightly? Fixed left sidebar. Commit that. I'm gonna start a new chat. Okay, this is gonna be a little more challenging. This next part, because hmm, I shoot in the dark right now. When I am editing text, the text slightly changes when I am done typing, as in the two attached pictures. Okay, let me give an example. The text shifts upright slightly and slightly bolds. Hmm, how does this work? Handle transform. Hmm, what does this get called? Untransform. Transformer. I guess it doesn't make any sense anymore because you can't click on anything. Listening. Hmm. When transform ends. React conva determines when typing ends is what gets called when typing ends. Is that on transform end? Trigger text input overlay when the text node is double clicked or double tapped. Huh. Huh. I think I see what's going on. Handle stage mouse down. Convo text. What's this? This is empty. Let me delete that. Create post. What the heck is this? I don't need this either. Toggle switch mod. Oh. Let me just make a styles folder. Or you know what? We don't need that. Canvas text editor. Here it is. Currently, my implementation, whenever I am editing, I spawn another React Conva text component and then despawn it when I am done editing and filling in the new text in the original component. Is it simpler to not spawn a new text component to make sure the scaling remains constant? Cleaning up. Editable text. Oh, I see what's going on. I see what's going on. To type, I'm using a text area. I'm not using a. I'm not using React Combo. That makes things a little complicated. I don't know if I can use a text area. I'll have to look up an implementation. Let me see. Thanks for the bruh. Did it go off or not? Uh-oh. It looks like it didn't go off. What happened? Sound alerts are off for some reason. There, the sound alerts were the sound was off. Let me test it again. Dude, I need a stream manager. Hire a stream manager.
Bruh.
There we go. I'm sorry, Ghost Man. Don't report me, bro. Don't report me, bro. I'll give you a smile. There you go. And some claps. What about a whoosh? Who doesn't love a deep whoosh? Dude, I should be a DJ. How can I type in a text component in React Conva? Conva group? I think the issue is that what a text area The issue is that the text area is not painted on the canvas React Canvas, so it doesn't look the same. Hmm. Built-in canvas editing? Temporarily editing by temporarily enabling editable behavior directly on the canvas. Editable text. For the HTML to mimic canvas appearance? No, I don't want to do that. What is all this? Text node text? Handle double click. Text editing? Uh, I can edit this? Oh yeah. What's this? How does this work? Apply many styles to match the text on canvas as close as possible. Remember that text rendering on canvas on the text area can be different and sometimes it's hard to make it 100% the same, but we will try. So this is basically doing the same thing I'm doing. Text node. Create a text area and style it. Oh my goodness. That is crazy. Editable, resizable text label. Editable text. What is editable text? Is this editable text input? Resizable text? Handle resize. Is editing. Oh, this is also using a text area. Looks like they're all using a text area. Cheeky, cheeky. Cheeky, cheeky. Resizable text. Hmm. Another example. They're all using. Looks like they're all using text. All using text area. Yeah. I have an idea, actually. I have an idea. What if we use a text area but keep it invisible and we'll on change update the text on the canvas? It could be a genius. This works. Text area ref. Actually, we can't do that because we need the cursor to work. Uh, maybe not a genius. Hey, Socket, how's it going? Trying to make Google Slides. I'm trying to right now I'm like thinking about an edge case. Trying to see if I can fix it. Um so here's what it looks like. Um Not this. Let's say over here. So like, you can like I can add slides, sure. I can like make a text box or something. Get a nice little preview over there. Move it around. And yeah, that's basically I'm making Google Slides. So I'm gonna switch slides, type something else over here. What's up? Oh, these are being funky. I gotta fix the previous slides a little bit. Thanks. Seeing how hard it is to make Google Slides. I feel like Google Slides hasn't updated in a long time. I go Google Slides. I gotta sign in. Oh, come on, man. All right, let me sign in real quick. I don't know. This feels so old fashioned to me now. Like this is like it's been like the same like for like 20 years. Oh, that's damn, bro. I'm sorry, dude. You can blame the Bezos. All right. So let's see. Maybe I can hack something up right now. Corner radius 10, stroke radius 3. Nice. What I was saying was, I feel like Google Slides, for example, is like super old fashioned now. Like I don't know, it just feels so old fashioned to me. Like it hasn't changed in like 20 years or something. It's like I'm like, come on, man. Like, what are we gonna do with all these drop downs? Like, come on, come on. This is like, do people even use like most of this stuff? I don't know, dude. I don't know. So I'm seeing how hard it is to remake Google Slides. How hard is this to do? There's rounded corners here, but not here. No. I wonder what Google uses actually. Can I inspect? What does it look like they're using to build this website? I gotta make something, like Excalidraw. You know it's modern when it looks like everything's sketched, but it's generated by the computer? Okay. Uh, yeah, probably Angular, huh? Yeah, I have no idea, dude. Part of our code base at work is in Angular, and I can't even, dude. The IDE just fucking kills itself. Sorry, I didn't mean to try to keep this PG, but whenever when I try to like go into the Angular code base at work, the IDE just doesn't know what to do. It's like it thinks everything is just strings. I'm just like, why, dude? Just react, bro. Just react. Anyways, I'm fixing like there's this one issue I'm having which is hard, which is like when I finish typing, the text slightly shifts. Like when I like it kind of gets slightly bigger and bolder. So like then you figure out why that's happening. Part of it is because like when I'm typing text, it's technically not rendered onto the canvas yet. Because like this square is the canvas. So like I'm overlaying a text area on top, and I'm trying to like predict what it would look like on the canvas, which is kind of hard. Yeah, exactly. Somehow Google doesn't have that issue. It's really bugging me though, because like I mean, it's not too big of an issue, but it's like you know what, man? I just want to solve it just to prove to myself I can solve it. And I'm like, maybe I shouldn't use a text area at all and just like type and directly render onto the canvas every time I type. Maybe that's a bad idea. Hmm. Because like the problem with that is like if I'm not using a text area, I don't get this like cursor bar thing. So it feels kind of weird. Unless I like animate my own cursor bar. That makes sense. I don't know what this is called. Also, like, how come Twitch doesn't see my cursor? OBS, man. Is it because of the way I'm like showing the screen? Capture. I have capture cursor on. Now I turned it off. Let me turn it back on. What's force SDR? Oh, there we go. Turn it back. Turn it on. Oh, wait a second. Whenever it goes in the browser, it disappears. What the heck? It don't like the browser. That's funky. Huh. Oh well. Anyways, so it gets slightly bigger. So maybe if I just make the text area slightly bigger. Slightly bigger. So if I go here and I do instead of -2, I do -1. Huh. Now it just shifts up and to the right a little bit. I think we're getting closer actually. What's -0 do? There's probably some margin or padding that's messing things up. Yeah. If I do minus, I just want to make sure this is actually doing something because I can't tell like what I can barely tell what's going on with these tiny changes. Yeah, okay. Let's go back to 1. There's probably some styles being applied or something. How am I finding the X and Y position? Edit position? I'm doing something funky here to like offset stuff. Remove border, resize none. I can like maybe I can just like inspect element, see what's going on. Like if I just inspect this, you know what I'm saying? See if there's any like margins applied to it. Let me see if there's any margins going on. Text area, like, yeah, this thing. Does look like there's something being applied. Is there position 249? Does this mean there's no border? Margin, padding? No? Huh. Where am I getting? So the top and the left. Is this like absolute? It is absolute. I'm using absolute. All right, I'm gonna take a stab at Chat GPT. Chat GPT. GPT. Any styles that I am forgetting to remove from this text area? Chat GPT. I also have my AI bot Mia. Hey Mia, do you like sock head RPS? Maybe Mia died. I think Mia died on me. Uh-oh. Air no. All right, let's restart it, I guess. I don't know what happened. Is this still running? Oh yeah, it is. How did it reconnect? I didn't have reconnect logic. Huh. Hey Mia, do you like sockhead RPS?
I'm not familiar with Sockhead RPS. Could you please provide more context or details so that I can better understand what you're referring to?
Hey Mia, why are you just a dumb piece of bricks?
Hey, that's not a nice thing to say. I'm here to help you and provide information to the best of my abilities. If you have any questions or need assistance, please feel free to ask, and I'll do my best to assist you. Let's keep things friendly.
Hey Mia, why don't you just shut the hell up? South Park voice actor? I can lower the voice pitch. Hey Mia, say something.
Fine. Don't get used to me being so accommodating. But, if you need anything or have questions, I guess I can try to help. Just don't expect me to be all nice about it, okay?
And if I turn her voice up really high, hey Mia, shut the hell up.
Yeah, okay, fine. Guess I'll be quiet then. Sheesh.
I think she's meant to have a high pitch. It's like it's an anime voice changer that I'm using. Some open source AI model to change the voice. That's literally taking 5 machine learning models to get this output. It's crazy, man. Crazy. There's a model to detect my speech. There's a model to convert my speech to text. There's ChatGPT to get an answer from the question. Then there's a Google text to speech, and then finally there is a voice changer model for the final output. And it comes out pretty fast, surprisingly. 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 Yeah, because I basically coded like Siri myself, basically. I didn't use like a like ChatGPT voice thing. Because there's no way to hook it up to Twitch or anything like that. Also, I wanted to be able to like customize the wake word. Like the wake word is what I say to like get it to talk. And there's actually specific machine learning models called like wake word models that only detect when you say a specific sound. Looking at a model you can use to train your voice model, your own voice model yesterday. Train your own voice model. Oh yeah, you can like make anyone's voice. Get the Elon model. I should get the Elon model. That would be funny. Or the Zuckerberg model. Oh, hey guys, how's it going? I don't know why Zuckerberg just says Mickey Mouse in my brain. Okay. What was I doing? I'm trying to fix this text area thing. Let me see. Use hidden text area. Not going to use a hidden text area idea yet. Just going to try to match the styles. Match the font family, match the font weight, match the font style. Jankity. Overflow hidden. Oh my goodness. Padding 0, margin 0. What am I doing in the code? Whoop. I'm doing position absolute. I'm making sure. Wait a minute. This means there's 0 padding, right? I don't even know how to read that correctly. This means there's 0 padding and margins. Padding, margin, border. 0 margin, 0 border box, model visualization shows. Right. Okay, cool. Hmm. Mm-hmm. So it might not be the. I'm checking on the text area element. This one. The red box is something else. Text area element is this. So I'm thinking like. So what I'm thinking is like maybe my text area is what's right, and when I draw it on the canvas, it gets messed up. Hmm. Can you place the text with it highlighted? I wish I could like see the pixel, like what pixel it's on. 170. Place the text with it highlighted? What do you mean? Like with that highlighted? Whoops. Canvas. Where did the canvas go? Oh, hey, thanks for the follow. Thank you very much, sir. Welcome to the team. We're gonna do great. We're gonna do great things together. You and me, Sockhead. You and me. I don't know. It just reminds me of that the Rick and Morty episode. What was that? What was that? What was that Rick and Morty scene? Rick is like drunk or something. Rick and Morty, Rick drunk. True. But it's only Rick drunk. It's gonna be in one somewhere in here. Here we go. Oh wait, let me turn up the volume on this for the browser.
Oh, I got a surprise for you. Come on, hurry up. Gotta go.
Ow,
Gotta go.
ow,
Gotta get out
ow,
of here.
you're tugging
Come
me
on,
too
I got a
hard.
surprise for you. I had to make a bomb, Morty. I had to create a bomb.
What? A bomb? Rick, what are you doing, man?
You're a good kid, Morty. You're a real little character, Morty.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, I had a really rocky road today, Morty. That was all a test, Morty. Just an elaborate test to make you more assertive.
It was?
Sure, why not? I don't know. You know what?
Okay, cool. All right, Rick.
You little son of a
What are you
bitch!
doing, Rick?
Are you a simulation? Huh? Are you a simulation?
Simulation?
No! You little son of a bitch! I'm sorry, Morty. You're a good kid, Morty.
Jeez.
You're a good kid.
Oh my God.
And these
Oh,
babies just
Jesus
made this big ass
Christ.
party! Bubble up a dub dub! Play something. Somebody play something.
Wait a minute. What?
What the hell is your problem?
Grandpa, we need to go home now.
Fine, sheesh. See ya.
Rick, wake up.
Wait, what? Stop.
Rick, you gotta do something quick. My parents are home.
All right. Hold on.
Maybe it's not even when he's drunk.
So good.
Oh my gosh. I'll have to find it later. Where was I? I gotta stop distracting myself. It's like weird because like once it's drawn on the canvas, like it doesn't show anything. It just shows canvas. Let me see. Where is the canvas in here? Canvas has gotta be somewhere around here. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, like once it's drawn, the text area disappears and it's just this single chunk. Actually, it seems pretty. It's moving up a little bit, I think. Can I zoom in? Oh my goodness, I can't zoom in. What just happened? Dude, what is going on? It tries to resize. Oh my goodness, that is not what we want. Literally. Okay. That is crazy. There's bugs. There's definitely bugs. Yeah, okay, zooming in isn't gonna work for now. Oh. All these ADF steps is confusing me. I'm gonna refresh. All right. So it is shifting slightly to the right. So what I'm doing, like, the way to make this, I'm making this work is, whoops. Like, I'm making the text area absolute. And I'm getting the position of the text edit position. Where is this coming from anyway? Where in the world is this coming from? Set edit position. Stagebox.left plus text object dot x. So I'm doing some funky math to get the absolute position of where it's going to be rendered. I'm getting the position of the stage box. And I'm adding X and Y. You know what? Oh, what the hell, dude? No Copilot. I'm trying to go to the drawing area. Okay, here we go. The stage. Maybe the problem is I'm getting the stage, but I really should be getting the layer. Because text is rendered on the layer. It's not rendered on the stage. Let me see. Let me ask ChatGPT. Because I am getting the XY of the stage and not the layer. Set stage ready? What, ref? Use stage context. What is set stage ready? Am I using a stage context here? How am I getting the stage ref? Use stage context? Okay. Can I get the layer? Get layer? What does that do? Can a stage have more than one layer? What is this? Stage ref that currently is possibly null? Why does just what? This just returns null? What is the point of that? Because I guess like let me see. I'm rendering the text components in the layer. I have layer padding. Maybe that's why. Actually, no, wait. It shouldn't matter because the position will stay the same. The absolute position of the stage. If there's a difference between the layer and the stage, then that's an issue. Corner radius? Is it the rectangle? The text is inside a rectangle only if the border is enabled. Okay, it's not inside the rectangle. It's not inside anything. Ain't inside anything. How did the example do it? Let me look at the example, I guess. I saw an example online. Editable text area. React Canva. I was looking at this example. Not this one. Was it this one? Not this one. This one? I think it was this one. This was the simplest one. Demo? No, it wasn't this one. Was it this? It was this one. They somehow get it to match. Almost. It moves up a little bit too. I see it moving up. They have the same. They have the same issue. Show source code of complex demo. Look at, they're like doing the same thing. They're trying to remove all the styles. But if the difference is constant, can we just like it's slowly shifting up slightly. It's slowly shifting up just a little bit. You know what? What if I just like the position? What if I'm just like 0.25, 24? We're just gonna adjust it until it's right. Oh. Maybe it needs to be like 3.1. Wait, I don't get how this works. Minus 3.1 makes it down lower. So it needs to be... Okay. Still going up? If I change this to 1? Wait, what is this doing? Nothing's changing. I don't get it, dude. I don't get it. No in browser issue. Dude, what? This isn't, it's literally doing nothing. I don't get it. What if I do minus 20? Oh, I see what that is. Minus 20. So it goes... Okay. What if I do plus 10? Dude, I gotta refresh. There's too much text on here. Plus 10 is not... Minus 5? Oh, minus 5 might be it. It looks like it gets bolder, the text. Now it's in the right spot. I swear the text looks like it's getting bolder. What if I make like, yeah, what if I make the text like bigger? So if I go here and... Wait, where'd my top bar go? I had a top bar that lets me set the text size. Hold up, let me put it back in. Where'd my top bar go? What the hell? Did I delete it? Oh, it was in the layout. That's why. And I don't have a layout anymore. Can I just add it in here? There we go. My top bar. And if I make the text like really big, like 30. Wait a minute. What's going on? 40. I gotta make the box bigger. Come on, man. Come on. Yeah, I think it shifts more when the text gets bigger. So yeah, it doesn't look like it scales much. So when the text gets bigger, it shifts up again. Dude, don't don't even. Don't even. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm gonna be up all night trying to figure out how to fix this. I'm gonna be freaking. I'm gonna be cooked by 5 in the morning. I'm gonna be freaking cooked. Oh my gosh, man. And the font totally does get bolder, so I gotta find out why that's happening. Well, I have OCD tendencies, so OCD tendencies are good if you're a server engineer. If you're a front end engineer, you're just gonna get cooked, is what I'm noticing. Because at work, I do server stuff. It's true, man. It's true. And this on the server side of things, you have an input, you have an exact output. You have a specific input, exact output. You can unit test. Everything's happy. Everyone's happy. On the front end, you have a pixel, and then you have a just go fuck yourself. I don't know. Shouldn't curse. Shouldn't curse. Yeah. I'm gonna figure out why it's getting bold. Maybe I'll figure that out right now. Why the text gets bold when it renders. Because that's also shouldn't be happening. So there's something weird with the scaling, maybe. Scaling might be a little bit bigger because if I were to like remove any offset I'm applying, we'll do this just for the sake of figuring out the root cause. I'm gonna remove this Y offset. So this is the exact positioning, and it goes up when it renders. Wait, it goes up? The canvas is here. If it goes up, that means the text area is below. It might just be the way it's getting rendered onto the canvas. The way it's getting rendered on the canvas. Let me look at my text component class. This is the class that gets drawn. Font size is equal to font size. Okay. Text object dot font color. Can you even apply styles to this? What is it? How does that work? Rectangle. Drawing area. We're looping. Text component. I wonder if I should toss the drawing area and just render onto the canvas as people type, character by character, and not have to deal with this. I can't believe there's like no example online of people doing it. And I have no idea what they do at Google. Online, all the examples are using text area overlay kind of implementation. But matching how it's gonna get rendered doesn't seem like doesn't seem reliable, especially when you scale the font up and down. I don't even know if it's possible to solve with the library I'm using. So the only hard part if I do it myself is the text area has like a blinking cursor. So I'm okay. I'm gonna try to implement it without a text area. I wish I could swap out the implementations. Like I wish I can write code well enough where I can swap out implementations. Like if I was a good programmer anyway, then I would be able to do that. So I can go back and forth. But this is like React, dude. This isn't like a freaking Java class that I can with an interface. You can't just like one does not. You can't just make an interface in React or something. I guess I don't know, dude. I don't know what I'm doing on freaking TypeScript, man. The implementations would be completely different. Points of the. Oh my goodness, man. We're cooked. All right. If I want to do this, if I want to draw directly on the canvas, then the other idea I had was like I still use a text area, but it's invisible. You know what I'm saying? And so like you can it looks like you're typing, but really on the text change, it's updating the canvas instead. That might be the pro gamer move. Let's try that out. Go to the invisible text area implementation and directly update the canvas on text change. At work, um, like caching services, database crud stuff. Uh oh. Oh, okay. Oh, like with language, just the language. Java mainly Java. Sometimes I have to work on the front end, so that means I have to go on C sharp. And sometimes I have to work on the tooling, which means I have to use React and stuff. And if I'm really cooked, I have to write Bash or something. Or Zeesh. I had a coworker who was like spend like so much time during work trying to write a script in Zeesh, and then at the end of the day, he just wrote a Python script in like 5 minutes and just called the Python script. I'm like, and then everyone was like, you should have just done that from the beginning, bro. Come on, bro. If your Z script is like longer than 2 lines, that's already too much. That's too much. It's 1 line to execute Python. To exec a Python script, that's 1 line. All right, to do this, how do I make the text area I have to make this drawing thing invisible. Handle input change. On change. Set edit text. All right. I don't know what the CSS to make something invisible, so I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT. How can I make the text area invisible? Display none? Okay. Display none. And then on input change, let's see. I guess so instead of rendering to the canvas, when I click off, I'm going to render when you know what the hard part about this is going to be? Like, it's going to be like, then I won't be able to like, you won't be able to like click on text. Like if I wanted to edit like, oh snap, display none. Hold up. Let's abort this for a second. Like if I wanted to edit, like click on a specific character, like I can only do that in a text area. And I can only highlight in text areas. How am I going to do that? This is why everyone's using a text area. Custom highlighter and cursor. I can do it. I just have to believe, man. I really just have to enter the Simon realm, where all your wildest dreams and realities can come true. This is in this realm. You can center a div. You can go match pixel by pixel. Oh my goodness. Anyways, thanks guys for the simul realm. Definitely Fantasyland. Okay. Should I do it myself? Let me try. Let me try. How would that even work? This would require just not using a text area at all. I'll try. Let me think. Let me ask ChatGPT if this is even makes sense. Hold up. Using React Canva, can I make my own custom highlighter and cursor line to edit text so I don't have to use a text area? Well, fucking ChatGPT thinks it's a cinch. Apparently. Apparently it's no problem for ChatGPT. Holy crap. All right, well, I guess I'm gonna do it. I just got to do it then. My goodness, my goodness. Set edit text. What does this do? I need to try to understand what this is doing real quick. Set text for current slide. Use effect to replace blur by monitoring the mode state. If the mode switches to anything other than typing, then set the text to the edit text. Oh my gosh, dude. Set text for current slide. What does that do? If the mode changes. I just gotta. How do I handle like rendering text real quick? I gotta figure that out. Handle stage mouse down right here, right here. So when I click off, that's when it gets rendered. So I guess it's like somewhere here, some fancy stuff happens. If text mode, set current text for slide. What does this do? Handle stage mouse down function generator. Pointer position. When does the text get rendered? Set mode typing? Where does this get used? Handle stage mouse down. Dude, I don't get this. If mode is equal to text, then switch to typing. When we click on it. This only works if we click on a text box though. Like if I click off the thing, nothing happens. Yeah. Huh. Once just giving you one moment before I start tackling the text edit. If is stage mode equals text object. Oh, I get it. I know what this does. This creates a new text box. I got it. I got it. Okay. I understand. I'm starting to believe. I'm starting to believe. Have you tried explicitly setting offset to 0 for X and Y? Like, you mean for the drawing area implementation I got? Or like for the stage or something? For like the canvas? For the drawing area, like here's my text area. But for the text box, what's my text component? This is what's rendered. The text. And I don't have an offset, or the offset is this. Width. So edit position. Width height. Text object dot width. Oh, the offset is X and Y. Where does the edit position come from? Oh. Text object X plus stage box dot left. So it adds the X and the Y. So like, so we have X and Y. Not match. It's mostly for rotating shapes, I guess. They just mentioned it. Okay, yeah, let's just try to implement my own highlighter. Let's freaking do this, man. Let's freaking do this. It's time to just do this. You know what I'm saying? So first I'm gonna remove the text area code. Well, not remove it, but I'm just going to comment it out. Just bye-bye. Now that's commented out. Let's so there's a function that gets called when I click on the text. Let me see, on tap. Set mode typing. Okay. if we're in typing mode, then that means I need to be able to set the text. What is the actual text anyway? Where is the text on here? Text ref? Oh, right here. I'm a dummy, dude. So hold up. Okay, hold up. I'm gonna uncomment this for a second. I'm just gonna commit my stuff before trying to implement the new highlighter. Let me just commit stuff before I start blowing up the code. All right. All right. Let me comment this back out, and then so basically I hide the text when we're in typing mode, but now I'm just gonna not do that, and instead we're just always gonna display the text what it is. Simply as that. Simply as that. All right. And now we have to be able to edit it when we click on it, which is the tricky part. So there's a on tap, set selected ID. On click, we have an on click. What does on tap do, man? Wait, what? I don't know what on tap is. Dude, there's no docs in here in the code. Dude. Like, I don't get it. Why do they write docs on some website or something? Just put it in the code. Maybe you're right. Like, why do I gotta go to a website, man? My goodness. I should be able to just look at the code. I should see comments like right here. Oh, I can't even edit this? Oh my goodness. Oh well. At least that's how it is in Java or whatever. I'm spoiled by Java. All right. So, on click, set mode typing, yeah. If. Wait, so I need to detect my keyboard input. Detect keyboard input. So if I'm in typing mode, okay. Okay. Why is there an error here? Hold up. Why is there an error? Mode? Mode is assigned but never used? Whatever, bro. Whatever. It's not even an error. It's more of a warning. What's giving me that area? Is that ESLint? It's freaking ESLint, dude. Doesn't know. Okay. Well, use mode context. I actually do need the mode. Because down here, I'm just going to be like, if mode is typing, if we're in typing mode, wait a second. It's like, if we're typing, then if we're in typing mode, then put keyboard input. onto text. What is it? It's a text object dot text. Onto text object dot text. Why does Copilot think I'm doing this? If we're not in typing mode, put text I'm not text onto keyboard input. That doesn't even make sense, dude. Copilot, you freaking numbnuts. Trying to guess the next thing. I just need to figure out, like, I don't want to write this code in the React component because it doesn't make sense. I don't know if this function. But I need like an input listener. I don't understand. How does that work? Keyboard input listener? Let me ask ChatGPT that. How do I make a keyboard input listener in React? Like, listen on keystrokes. I gotta attach it straight to the DOM. Keyboard listener? So, okay. Okay. Key down. So I need a use effect somewhere. If it's not a special character, how can I detect that? Because I need to like figure out like if I press escape, I don't want to like insert escape. Single printable character. All right, let's see what this does. Okay. I'm gonna go. I guess this use effect would be like in the outermost. So it'd be like on the app or drawing area. Let me just make a new component. Keyboard listener. Keyboard listener. Okay. Let's do this. This isn't going to return anything. Just an empty component. Oh no, any? Okay. Huh? What is the type for this? Man. What is the type? Handle key down? Add event listener? Let me see. TypeScript, you can't figure this out. Listener. All right. That's the type. There you go. Oh no. Another any? What, bro? What? How do I ignore this? Event.key. You know what? Forget about it. It's any. And how do I ignore this? There's a way to ignore this in ESLint. No? Oh my goodness. All right. We'll just hope it compiles. It probably will. And let's see. Let's so when we type a character that's not special, okay, we're gonna add it to the text object. So we're gonna need a couple. Whoops. We're gonna need a couple of our contexts. Context. Let me see. We need selected ID. How do we get the text object actually that we're currently editing? We need the selected ID and we need the mode. Okay. Okay. So we use mode context. We'll slap that in. Selected ID. Okay. So we know what's selected. We need the objects. So shoot. How do I do that in here? Get text for current slide. Oh, here we go. We got all these contexts I can use. Get text for current slide. So if mode is equal to typing, yeah. I don't need to print anything. I just need to get current text for slide. This returns the text, and I can do selected ID dot text plus equals key. New text. Set current text for slide. Is that it? Seems too easy. Seems way too easy. How do I update? Set edit text. How am I updating the text? How do I re-render the text normally on the first one, the canvas area? I mean the text area. Set text for current slide. New text. This function. What does this do? This is an interface. No implementations found, bro. What? Here it is. So set text for current slide, text ID, and text object. Partial text. Oh, I see what this does. This doesn't actually update. Okay, you know what? You know what? I think this is all I gotta do. I guess we just text it. We just test it. This is added onto the drawing area, right? No, we gotta add it. Keyboard listener. All right. Is this gonna work? Let's see. That ain't working. Nothing is being typed. Printable character pressed. So I need to see when it turns to. Are there errors though? There's not even any errors. Okay. I need to see when it turns to. When it goes from typing to not typing. Handle stays mouse down function generator. When does that happen? When does it go to set mode select? Typing? Get text for current slide? Dude, I still don't remember how I update what's rendered. Mode is typing. This is the edit text. Set edit text. Wait, this. Okay. Handle input change. Set edit text. Okay. So I just gotta figure out what uses this edit text. It's just the text area. Dude. All right, sounds good. Thanks for coming, Sockhead. Well, I'll let you know if I make any progress. We'll see. I'm gonna be fumbling for the next probably 72 hours or something. Just kidding. Just kidding. Thanks, May. Thanks, May. We're gonna figure this out. We're gonna fix that one pixel. If it's the last thing I do. All right. How does this work? Dependencies text. Mode is not equal to typing. Set mode to typing. Handle input change. Set edit text. Active slide ID. Focus for typing with cursor at the end. Set text ID. Active slide ID. Set text for current slide. Oh. So that's what I do? Let me try this out. No, not updating. Selected ID. Text plus equals key. No. Typing. Let's try. Oh, here we go. It's kind of working actually. What the heck? Whoa. Oh man, thanks for the follow. How's it going? And thank you, thank you. Welcome to fixing a pixel for the next 32 hours stream because I have OCD. Okay. So we somehow are getting it to type somehow, but it's not really working all the time. And it actually doesn't even work anymore. Okay. Selected ID text 0. Mode is typing. It should be adding text. Huh. T key pressed. T key pressed. Huh. It only responds to T? Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. There's already something listening. Do I already have a keyboard listener somewhere that handles the hotkeys? Hold on. Right bar? I must have something somewhere. Keyboard context? What is this? It's empty. The heck? Okay, I'm just gonna delete that. Delete that file. Text editor, context providers. Where am I listening? You know what? I could do. Do a search for handle key down. Handle key down. Is it happening in the mode context? And the text component context? I see. Does this like consume the keyboard input? No. They should all get triggered. They're listeners. Window.add listener. Yeah. You can add multiple the same listener on the dot on the window. Makes sense to me. Mode. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So there's something wrong with the way this is capturing input. Console log key pressed. Let's just see what's going on. Okay. We're in typing mode. Selected ID. But it's not passing this check. If it's not meta key, control alt key, okay. And the length is equal to 1. Mode is typing, right? All right, let's just put it in here. Plus mode. There we go. Mode typing. Okay. Okay, now it's working for some reason. Why is it just... Okay, hold up. When I refresh, it doesn't work. Mode unset. But it says my mode is typing, though. So the mode is not being updated. Not being updated? So this mode is not being updated? Is what you're saying? What if I put mode here? There we go. Oh shit, that's working. Wow. I didn't expect that. Text input. Text input for text component. Okay. Where am I using this? Surprisingly, that works. That's crazy. Okay. Dang, I'm a genius apparently. Okay. Just gotta fix this because this is really annoying. Oh, I can just ignore that? Dude, then I'm ignoring that. But I can't do that. What is the type of this? Handle key down? Or am I doing this in other places? Hold up. Keyboard event. Okay. Hey, there we go. So I don't need set mode. Okay. I don't need set selected ID. Okay. Active slide ID. Don't need that. All right. Looking good. Looking good. All right. I'm gonna take a break here now. Let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and rate somebody. Go to rate somebody, shall we? Shall we, my friends? Even though I got like one viewer. No worries. Let's just find. Let's just rate somebody who is also has like one viewer. Teamfight Tactics is why is it so popular now? Has this game been out for a long time? I don't get it. This guy's toast is still streaming. Oh my gosh, dude, he's been streaming all day. Holy crap. That's a lot of TFT. Oh, they changed this feature. No wonder I was confused. All right. Last day exam prep. Oh, that sucks, bro. That sucks. Karaoke, hell yeah, brother. Coding, 3D card game work in progress. What game engine is this? Is Godot? What? This is no wait. This is Unity because it's C sharp. All right, let's rate this person because I do like Unity. That's what I use at work. Oh, I gotta be in my own channel, huh? Okay. All right, let's give him a warm welcome, shall we? Shall we, my friends? Thanks for coming to the stream. Don't forget to follow.